the calendar and the one or two lines of what happened that day. Because I think
These
this
guys
is
are crazy,
cool.
Ray.
Huh?
They're crazy. They got calendars back to the 70s of how many pizzas, how many pan pizzas, what the weather was there an event, did it snow, you know. I mean, you could go back, they have a repair book of every repair that's been in this building from the 70s. So you're talking about some meticulous note keeping, and it's huge because you look back and you go, oh, well, there's a football game this year. I wonder what happened. It's going to be 70 degrees. Well, last year it was, 64 degrees on that Saturday, and there was a football game, and here's what we did. So hopefully we should expect something similar to that. And honestly, that book is like an almanac for us. It is so spot on. It is unbelievable.
Yeah, I call it the Bible.
Who
And
came up with it? Who took
my
who,
brother Donnie, he was kind of like Ray Rayner. He always had notes everywhere. His truck was a mess with notes, and he just liked history. He just liked and it's great for a business when you repair a piece of machinery and you write down the day, what you did to it, and all of a sudden, a year and a half later, you look back and you say, wow, I just replaced that part there. There might be something else wrong.